Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Decoration Ideas, latest designing, United States country style here and there. Today's video is going to be very interesting for you as you know that Ramadan is going on right now, and happy Ramadan to everyone. And in this month of Ramadan I have brought a very lovely video for you in which you will be told that you can. And apart from this, you can see the entry walls which are faded with glass which also be seen in many beautiful designs, seeing which you can make very beautiful designing by installing glasses in your home entryway decoration. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. It is great nice looking of your favorite home, interior decoration ideas and your favorite entryway door decoration ideas and entryway cabinets. And like these videos and very beautiful designing of your favorite entryway home glasses and amazing design in your favorite home interior and living room interior decoration ideas. I hope you liked this video and I am really excited to share this video with your friends and your families. If you can enjoy this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel Home Decoration Ideas, latest designing United States country style. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.